Now this.
In relation to the same FIR. It is not a different FIR. It's only one FIR.
On this issue, sir.
My lord, what I submitted to your lordship the other day is, number one, charge is framed against the accused for an offence under section 409. On the ground or on the score that he was, and first accused was entrusted with the properties in question. And 409, my lord, would give us an indication that he has conducted himself contrary to the terms of entrustment. That is the case of the prosecution. Obviously, there is a case of the prosecution. But he has been convicted for an offence under section 379 and 420. That is number one. He could not have committed an offence under section 379 because he being the first accused in the case, even right from the time when the forest offence crime came to be registered, accused property in interest ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವರು. Where is the question of he committing theft? That is number one.
ಆ ತರ ಲ್ಯಾಕಿನೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. That they're all facts. See, facts.
Without going into the evidence.
They're all facts on record.
Yes.
So facts on record ಲ್ಯಾಕಿನೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆ. Facts are stubborn.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, the other submission which I made was, for me, my lord, the conviction is for an offence under section 379 and 420. But no other charges framed against me, be it for an offence under section 406, 409 with the aided assistance of 120B or under section 34. 34 illa, 120B no illa. Straight away, my lord, I am charged with having committed.
409.
Allah, 379 and 420. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ the custodian of the property 409. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 379 ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? I should dispossess a person who is in lawful possession of the property without his knowledge or consent, is how theft has been defined under section 378.
Yes.
Was my submission. Is it their case that I dispossessed that man without his knowledge or consent? ಅದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. 420 ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. The other day
420 ಬರಲ್ಲ.
450 420 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I don't know how I am convicted for an offence under section. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ my learned friend Mr. Prasanna Kumar should have some grace and tell me, look here, you are right. Instead of you getting the benefit of an acquittal judgment of acquittal straight away, you are asking for remand. Let it go ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Otherwise, I am entitled for a judgment of acquittal.
Submissions my senior friend has made. Submission which my learned senior friend has made. They have been considered, my lord, in several judgments. If there is a conviction without charge, what should happen? What is 465, 464? Lord, we have learnt all this from him.
Point I can ask before your lordship is
That of course.
my learned friend said the evidence, whether evidence could be looked into or not. ಇಲ್ಲಿ evidence ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ? Cut and paste is not evidence. That is what the Supreme Court has said. My lord, I invited my lord's kind attention to the law laid down by the Supreme Court, not Lallu. Lallu is earlier. The latest judgment of the Supreme Court which came to be delivered on September 12th, 2025. Maman Khan's case. It is no longer evidence. It can't be read as evidence in the case.
Maman Khan. Yes.
Maman. Well, may I request you lordship to kindly turn to page 17, 20 and 25. This is the latest judgment of the Supreme Court. Not only they must be tried together anta, but also cut and paste ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡುದು ಅಂತ. That is not evidence. You can't read that as evidence.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್,
Please, my lord.
ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಲ್ಲು, ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ
ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಈಗ
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಕಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಕಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ. That's why I am saying that it's virtually appreciation of evidence. But this appeal
ಕಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಅಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್?
But we have to see not each of the cases whether it is done or not. We do not know what are the
I
allegations.
ಓದು cut and paste. ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I ಓದು ಕಾಮ full stop. I don't know how my learned friend, my lord, in his wisdom would endorse. Yes, it is separate evidence which came to be recorded. It can't be a separate evidence. It is no longer evidence in the eye of law. My lord, this is what the Supreme Court has said in Maman. This is on September 2025.
Yes, yes.
Lallu, my lord, is in 2003. Have a look at this paragraph, my lord, at page 17. Kindly go to page 17. internal page 17 of the judgment, from the above the following proposition stands reiterated. First, their lordships would deal with 218, then 219 and 223. The decision to hold a joint or separate trial must ordinarily be taken at the outset of the proceedings. The two paramount, etc. Well, now kindly go to the next page.
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ.
Roman 4.
ಅದು ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ.
Roman 4. Evidence recorded in one trial cannot be imported into another, which may give rise to serious procedural complications if the trial is bifurcated.
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕು.
ಕೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Now joint trial ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. I am not asking for joint trial. But here next order is an order of conviction or acquittal.
Hearing of the appeal.
Yes, sir. Yes.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, an order of conviction or acquittal cannot be set aside merely because a joint or separate trial was possible. Interference is justified only
Serial number
in the
2 and
miscarriage
5.
of justice.
Repetition.
There's actually nothing new said.
Nothing.
Naseeb and Lalu put together, this has come.
Well, Naseeb is
ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು
followed
ಓದುವಾಗ
in subsequent judgment of Manikanta. Naseeb is followed in Manikanta.
ಅದ್ಯಾವ್ದು?
ಅದು latest.
ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲ?
No, I've seen both of them, but there's nothing new. I've seen.
Well, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ Naseeb ಅಲ್ಲಿ it is a full bench judgment.
Yes, Naseeb.
ನಾನು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ debate
Judges.
ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Three or five?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆದಾಗ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ತರ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಅಂತ.
Manikanta paragraph 14 to 24 minute. And Naseeb following Naseeb Melad Manikanta.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಓದ್ದೆ, ಎರಡು ಓದ್ದೆ. Opposing senior without not getting updated with all the judgment is not possible.
ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏರಿಳಿತಗಳಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಹೌದು, ಹೇಳಿತಾ ಇರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. Not even in our heart thing it shows.
My learned friend has said, Melad,
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಲೈಫ್ ವರೆಗೂ ಏರಿಳಿತ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ Melad, in the case of Maideen, may I just request you?
Paragraph, sir?
Melad, paragraph 40. Manikanta ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಮಣಿಕಂಡನ್ ಇದೆ.
Manikanta ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ.
Paragraph
14 to 24. Following
Naseeb.
Naseeb Singh Melad. And they would refer to Best Bakery case also. Same thing, Melad. What has been said in
Best
Naseeb Singh has
Bakery
been
joint
repeated.
trial was permitted.
Yes, joint trial. Remand.
Specific circumstance.
Zaira Habibul.
Zaira Habibul. That is Best Bakery.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈದೀನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ this is what the Supreme Court has said. Paragraph 46 Melad.
ಮೈದೀನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು?
ಮೈದೀನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದು.
ಧಾರವಾಡದ ಮೈದೀನ?
Melad, this is in 2022, volume 14, Supreme Court case 392.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಹೌದು, ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. That would be an answer to my learned friend submission. Kindly go to paragraph 46.
Yes, already marked.
Yes, Melad. There is one more angle to be considered, that is whether to remand one case to the High Court for first decision. That is the case in which the evidence was not considered, and we may proceed to decide the other case here. We find if we adopt such a procedure, then no fruitful purpose would be served, and in fact, it would be an exercise resulting in complications and contradictions and even conflicts. If we proceed to hear one appeal wherein the evidence has been considered by the High Court and we agree with the same, then it would influence the High Court in deciding the other matter on remand. Further, even if you could hold back this appeal and avoid the decision of the High Court in the matter which we remand, then also the High Court would not be able to take an independent decision and would be influenced by the judgment as would be entertaining one appeal. Moreover, if we allow one appeal which we are holding back, then nothing may remain for the High Court to decide. ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊನೆಗೆ it is not possible. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 more cases are pending.
ಅದೇ ಗೊತ್ತದ.
ಹೌದು. ಈಗ supposing my lord, your lordship were to hear and dispose of this appeal, the merits of the matter, what happens then? Is it not going to influence the mind of the court in 3 other cases in which we are taking our trial?
No, this
In relation to the same FIR. It is not a different FIR. It's only one FIR.
Yes.
And ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is only in respect of 5 lakh tons. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 lakh tons ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 lakh tons ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಜುಡಿಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. That is what the Supreme Court has said.
That's why I said, even when Prasanna Kumar sir said, it is laced with prejudice and failure of justice.
ಅಲ್ವೇ, obviously.
ಇದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪೀಲ್ಗೆ 482 ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನಸೀಬ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, paragraph 29, it was at the stage of,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆಗೋಗಿತ್ತು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
yes, recording of evidence was completed, 313
But
statement was
ನಸೀಬ್ ಸಿಂಗ್
recorded.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ it was remitted back.
Yes, it was remitted back.
ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದು. ಅದು
ಅಲ್ವೇ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಯರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು
And
ಇಂಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಿಬಲ್.
Nasib Singh full bench judgment. Lalu
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Prasad ಎರಡೇ quorum.
ನಸೀಬ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಸೀಬ್ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇದೆ.
But in fact, what the Bombay High Court would say following the judgment of the Supreme Court. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ Supreme Court ಹೌದು. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು FIR ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you can't file separate charge sheet, you have got to file only one charge sheet and supplementary charge sheets ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
That you have failed because that is what projected before this is Nagaratna, sorry, Ratnakala or sorry, Ratnakala or.
Even in the chart which my friend Mr. Nagen Naik has given, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
But
ಏನು
Supreme-
ಕಾಮನ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ PW 1 1 2 2 3 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ they should say something. Witnesses may be same, but what they speak not in different cases. may be
Our High
different.
Court judgment, my lord, was earlier and the Supreme Court judgment is later. This is in 2023.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ 2025. ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, kindly imagine the situation, my lord. In this Bombay High Court judgment, my lord, good number of cases were registered in different parts of the country. Even Satinder Singh Basin case ನಲ್ಲೂನುವೆ
Yes.
118 cases were registered. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ the Supreme Court has said, no, if there is only one in relation to one FIR or different FIRs, you can't file different charge sheet at different places.
ಎಲ್ಲ merge,
All have got to be treated as supplementary charge sheet in one FIR.
they merge everything.
Yes, it gets merged.
Merge everything, treat the other charge sheet
Really?
as supplementary charge sheet and continue the trial.
But in this case, what Apex Court order is, CBI is permitted to register FIR or FIRs ಅಂತ.
Right.
fact,
ಹಂಗಂತ you
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
can-
appeal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ.
CBI
All
can
this,
CBI can file FIR or FIRs. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
not we have filed FIRs, but not wherever,
FIRs ಅಲ್ಲ, FIR.
not wherever.
ನೀವು
not-
FIR ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
wherever.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Wherever, no, it keeps, so
ನಮ್ಮದು
wherever.
ಒಂದೇ FIR ಗೆ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ charge sheet.
Not this is, of course, not a 482 petition. They can simply argue whatever they want. This is an appeal, which how appeal will have to be considered, I need not say because they are all not seniors to me.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ,
ಅದಾಗೋಯ್ತು.
in fact, in one of the judgment, your lordship has ruled this is a doctrine of sameness.
ಆ, ಇದು
Yes,
ಬೈರೇಗೌಡ.
ಬೈರೇಗೌಡನ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ it has got to be treated as a supplementary charge sheet ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ charge sheet.
2022 ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೋದು.
ಹೌದೌದು
21
ಹೌದೌದು 20th of September 21.
ಅವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ 482 ಕೂತಿತ್ತು.
ಅದು appeal ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, not in an appeal.
ಹೌದು. In fact, your lordship has referred to T.J. Antony, Amit Shah, and all that, and said doctrine of oneness.
And I have said supplementary charge sheet and
And
treat
Joseph, unfortunately, my lord, visualize the situation. They have been treated as separate charge sheets, fine. Each one of the cases, my lord, I am convicted and sentenced to undergo 7 years imprisonment. Concurrent finding, sentence ಅಲ್ಲ, independent ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 42 ವರ್ಷ ನಾನು ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ವಿಚಾರ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, held to be guilty, no sentence at all. ಇದೇ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ.
ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, throughout.
Not only this, there is one more case. ಅದು no, ಅದಲ್ಲ. He is already convicted for an offense in the jail. ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ they get into a brawl. ಒಬ್ರು ಒಂದು ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ಅದೊಂದು FIR. ಪಕ್ಕದ ಸೆಲ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ಅದೊಂದು FIR. ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು FIR. 8 FIR for 8 incidents on the same day, beating 8 people. So that is, ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ I have written supplementary treat ಮಾಡಿ, this cannot be done at all.
Imagine this situation, my lord.
That's a more relevant situation.
My lord, imagine this situation. A case of murder. Half a dozen persons are injured. Half a dozen persons are injured over there along with the deceased. Would there be 6 plus 1 charge sheets?
That is what ಇವರು FIR/S ಕೊಟ್ರು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್/S ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ.
ನಮ್ದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ನಮ್ದು it is only in relation to the FOC 17 ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ has said further investigation. That's all.
will consider.
Please.
ಬರೀ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ why it warrants remand is for this reason, my lord. Earlier, the investigation was taken up by, initially by the local police. Thereafter, my lord, the local police would transfer the investigation to CID.
CBI.
CID. My
CBI,
lord,
it was given to me by the Supreme Court.
ಅಲ್ಲ
Sir,
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
ಕೋರ್ಟ್
ನಾನು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ CID ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ CID
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ CID
then my
report
lord,
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
that Samaj Parivartana would take up the issue before the Supreme Court and all that.
Three categories ಮಾಡಿ Supreme Court
CEC was formed and CEC would submit a report my lord, indicating that further investigation is needed at the hands of CBI, a special investigating agency. Well, what the Supreme Court does is the investigation and the result of investigation that has been done as on the date of the Supreme Court passing the order shall be kept in abeyance.
ಹೌದು.
What happened to that? Where is that record?
ಇಲ್ಲ kept in abeyance. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ said independently you proceed ಅಂತ ಇವ್ರು.
No, it Supreme Court does not say whatever you have done stands vanished.
ಅದು that is whitewashed ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ.
Yes, my lord. Supreme Court has issued a direction to the CID to transfer the entire investigation which you have done. Well, at para 26.
ಅಕ್ಯೂಸಲ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರಸಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ?
Well, at ink page 26, this is out of the Supreme Court.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಪಿರಸಿ ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ? No, I think that will help you further. In case, I'm not yet made a whatever.
Against a dead man.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ಕಂಪನಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಇದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. he is not arguing for the dead man. ಯಾರನ್ನ?
They all will have to be heard.
ಅವ್ರು ಡೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದಾರೆ, ನೀವೇನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
He is arguing for a dead man.
ಹಾ?
He is arguing for a dead man.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡದ
ಅದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
Blood. ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. Ask him to keep quiet for a minute. Let me complete.
That I am aware.
1 minute.
ತಾಳಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿ.
Yes, internal page, ink page 21, my lord, out of the Supreme Court. Your lordship wanted to know whether records have been transferred by the CID to the CBI.
Yes.
What happened to those records then? My lord, order dated 7/9/2012.
Keeping it in abeyance ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. No, transfer the records to CBI ಅಂತ. Page 26, my lord.
records must have been transferred to the CBI.
ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? No, not brought on record at all. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು? ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರುಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. Kindly go to page 26.
I am there.
Internal, para 2.
Pursuant
to the institution of the FIRs by the CBI as directed above, further proceedings in case number 189 of 2010 investigated by CBCID Karnataka shall remain state. The CID Karnataka shall hand over all the records in regard to that case to the CBI. Evidence.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದಾರ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು 207
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ.
They have mixed up ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Naseeb Singh, in fact, appeals were remanded back from the Supreme Court, the High Court to be heard on merits. Sorry, Your Lordship.
ನಸೀಬ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 20 ಜಸ್ಟಿಸ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಅವ್ರ
Please.
ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ go to para 44. Though it is said para 40 to 43, it should be at the outside, then ಎಲ್ಲ prejudice prove ಮಾಡ. Ultimately,
Evidence.
it is sent back saying it is indispensable in this case for for a retrial.
For which not evidence will have to, otherwise not their contention that everything
No,
is said.
that is exactly what I left, evidence at the periphery or evidence in depth. Evidence in depth will be considering the appeal itself, that we'll see.
Please.
ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಾಯಕ್. My learned friend has referred to an order which came to be passed by a coordinate bench of the zonal court.
ರತ್ನಕಲಾ ಅವ್ರದ?
ಹೌದು.
ಹಾ.
My lord, may I just request your lordship to kindly turn to paragraph 2
ಹ್ಮ್.
at internal page 6 of the order.
ಹ್ಮ್.
That is, issue a writ of mandamus or an order or direction in the nature of mandamus directing the respondent to treat the charge sheets 11, 15, 54, 53 and 37 and 38 at Annexure F, HKM, OQ respectively as supplementary charge sheet in special CC number 105/2013.
This is crime number,
But this is in relation to
crime number 16.
the what they have registered as 16A. Ido 11, 15 and 54, that is in 17A. That is in relation to theft of 5 lakh metric tons of iron ore. ಅದೇ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ ಬೇರೆ.
That explain,
ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ prayer.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
You have made a prayer, I have not made it.
No, what I am saying is,
that explanation you will find in para 4.
yes, what I am saying is, the prayer I have already sought for, that came to be heard and disposed of with a finding contrary to what you have sought for. ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ಪುನಃ again, how can you re-agitate the issue was the submission which came to be made by Valorant friend. That was totally different. The prayer sought for was for treating the charge sheets that are filed as supplementary charge sheets to that case. Yes, that is still pending.
Well, I think
17A is
no,
decided.
these appeals relate to, I think, not
16A
special
is
CC 11,
pending.
15,
17A is
54 and
decided.
53, no, they're all noted here. Special CC number.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
Hello.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನು.
pending ಇದೆ. But imagine the situation, my lord, in those 3 cases, if the court were to hold on the basis of the evidence of, that would be made available to the court, there was no excavation at all,
Why will
no
it hold?
transportation at all,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು
no rising at all. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೇಕು ಈ ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ he is saying ಆ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡೋವರೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ.
ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ತಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದೀಗ ಅದನ್ನೇ. ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್?
Whether you could have taken this objection at the initial stage.
ಅರೆ
11 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಅದೇ that I'll have to answer, possible I will.
Please.
Yes.
Please.
On these ನಿಮ್ದೇನಿದ್ಯಾ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಪಿಂಕ್ ಬುಕ್ಲೆಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು? ಪಿಂಕ್ ಬುಕ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಏನಿದು ನಾಯ್ಕ್ರೆ? ನಾಯ್ಕ್ರೆ, you want to refer to this? ಇದೇನ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿದು? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದು ಹಿಂದೆ ತಮಿಳ್ ಒಂದು ರೋಬೋ ಮೂವಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಅವ್ರು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರರ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಆತರ ಏನೋ ನೋಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಸುನಿಲ್ ಅವ್ರ ತಪ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಾನು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕಟ್
Pink
ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್
booklet.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಗಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸ್ಪೈರಲ್ ಬೈ
Yes,
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
yes. ಹ.
ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಐಒ ಇನ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಕೇಸಸ್.
ಹ. ಹ್ಮ್.
And the quantity
ಹ್ಮ್.
plus the ಯಾವ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
ಹ್ಮ್.
in all nine cases.
ಆಯ್ತು.
First 1 to 6 5
ಹ್ಮ್.
7, 8 and 9
ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
pending.
ಹ.
ಈ 9th ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಎರಡು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಶ್ರೂಮ್ ಕೈಲಿ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ 260.
ಎಸ್.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ A1 green tax mailing, A1 A2 agree.
Hmm.
This being mentioned, right?
Hmm.
4 captains from it. 5 Narendra Ji Hittal ಬಗ್ಗೆ
Hmm.
Narendra Ji Hittal ಬಗ್ಗೆ the company has to lot of.
Hmm.
And this Chandrakant Naik is the person who conducted this.
Hmm.
Now, the allegation in that case is that they have colluded with these people and seized only 24 leaves instead of seizing the entire system.
Hmm.
Now, the charge sheet is not based on the official statement they have stated. Charge sheet they have filed based on the export.
Hmm.
But I point out they are not, it is not even based on export. There is no logic. Kindly have a look at the first case.
ನೀವು ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರಿ. ಮೆರಿಟ್ ಮೇಲ
ಅವ್ರ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಈ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಾನು
ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಜುಡಿಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
ಸರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ಕೈಗೆ
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಅದು ಸರಿ 220
498
ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಮಾಡು when it is part of the same last time what I accused it is part of the same transaction.
I am entitled to for a trial of including all facts in one trial. That was my first argument because when I argued in the Dharwad. But I will point out from these facts. Idರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ these charge sheets are filed nine different charge sheets, not based on exporter, not even based on stevedores, not even based on quantity. What they have done, those who have approached the High Court for release of the material, they selected those 9 and filed the charge sheet. There is no basis for it. It is not based on the identification of seized material. Even now, even today, before the court, there is no material to show that which is the material seized by them. Because the people who have seized the material before the court has accused, nobody has identified the heaps, nobody has identified the quantity. In all the entire 9 charge sheet, the allegation is you colluded with other accused. Because they rely upon one memo saying that this is the entrustment made to you. Then if the same memo is used in 9 cases as a part of the conspiracy, Lord, is it not a case for a single trial?
No, the same memo
Yes.
is used for 420, is used for 379,
Yes.
is used for 409.
Everything, same memo they have used and same Caesar.
And same to different accused.
Not, it is not like that. But if
ಅಲ್ಲ,
someone-
ನಾನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
if somebody is not
ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ
interested in
ಒಂದು
the
ನಿಮಿಷ
shop,
ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ಲಿ.
I'll ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ 53 ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಿಸಿ 53 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಬಿಳಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ವರ ಮಿನರಲ್ ಫರ್ಮ್
Court officer.
ಪೋರ್ಟ್
Port
ಆಫೀಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 ಮಹೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಹೂ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಟು ಶ್ರೀ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಶಾಪುರ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಬಂದು ಸತೀಶ್ ಸಾಯಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸತೀಶ್ ಸಾಯಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸತೀಶ್. ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್. ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್. ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಸ್ತಿಕ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೀವ್ಡೋ. ದೆನ್ ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ILC is the exporter. ಈ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿದ್ರೆ they could have prosecuted, they could have made 3 cases based on ILC, based on Mallikarjun Shipping and Swastik Steel. Suppose if they were registering the case based on the stevedores, then they should have prosecuted Mallikarjun Shipping, Adani, Salgaonkar and Rajmal Singh. This is not based on exporter, not based on stevedore, not even based on Caesar. if seizure ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ
ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ತಾನೇ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟೇನೆ
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿ,
ಅವ್ರ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದು ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್.
Therefore, my submission, these facts are not interconnected. Therefore, the separate trial and another 3 cases I am yet to face. That is the prejudice. Now, in view of this finding, my lord, I cannot defend that. I will have to suffer conviction in the other 3 cases.
Or he is confident of acquittal.
Our ilme, our client illa.
This court will allow the appeals and it will result in acquittal. Therefore, I am saying, my lord, I am confident there.
Because
Allah,
because
ಅವರು
accused is no more
he is-
confident of acquittal.
He is taking charge because
We are,
acquittal adru, conviction adru, his client is not there to face.
so it is not like that.
34 ಇದೆ ಕಂಪನಿ.
It is not like that. After looking
Therefore, my
into the
submission is, my lord,
submissions-
it is interconnected fact.
After
We'll see.
looking into the submission.
On this, Prasanna sir, on this will finish.
Kindly bear with me. for 2
Oh, I have
minutes.
to bear with, yes, yes.
May I request my lord to kindly take up exhibit P116, Lord, 3430, just to point out,
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಪೆಟಿಷನ್
in criminal appeal number
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
2084. ಬೇರೆದಾಗಿದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Special CC 37. 2084.
2084.
Paper book.
ಇವತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
So this refers to 39 cash sheets.
ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್. ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಯಾವುದು
208.
ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಟೂ 2084 ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದು? ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ 2084 ಸೀರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
This document which is marked would indicate the total number of cash sheets. I did crime 189. There are 39 cash sheets indicated in page 3422, 3488. But that's how these notes pursuant to the direction of the honorable. All these cash sheets were handed over to CBI.
ಅದು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತು ಬಿಡಿ. ಹ್ಮ್.
Subsequently, not that cash, they found only 9 cash sheets. What the honorable Supreme Court said was, keep those cash sheets
ಹ್ಮ್
under further investigation.
ಹ್ಮ್
Further investigation.
ಬೈ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರಿಂಗ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ FIR. ಎಸ್. ಹ್ಮ್
Here they are going.
ಹ್ಮ್
That's nothing from the other Supreme Court brought in the first paragraph says, to conduct comprehensive investigation, comprising excavation, transportation, and so on. And all the Supreme Court further says, but out of the total quantity.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್? ಹಾ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಸ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಸರ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದ್ಬಿಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರು issue is, when they commenced the trial in 2014, did they not know all this? ಈಗ ಪಾಪ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಇದು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. They could have done this exercise earlier. Now it's an appeal. Appeal will have to be heard based on the evidence available.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದಿ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಇನ್ ಸರ್.
ಆತರ ಬರಲ್ಲ,
ಓ,
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕಾನೂನು ಒಂದೇ.
ಸುನಿಲ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಮ್
But the CC notice which records findings and records Lord has clearly said that IMC has exported totally 9.86 lakh metric ton. With this state.
Those things are pending there still.
Out of that, Lord, this is the same quantity.
Yes.
So therefore, Lord, the registration of separate employer has very, the senior has pointed out, Lord, is completely without restriction. Now, what they have done is, after collecting the documents collected during the investigation by the CID, 39 charge sheets, they do not want to return it back to the court. And once these documents were handed over,
ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
I just pass on the order, pass.
ನೋ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಕೊಡಿ. ಹಾ 451, 457 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದು. ಹೌದು.
They try many charge sheets, all other records throughout the seeking for release on the belief that only 9 charge sheets will be filed. Because central program then they approach this order. State would come and say, the state leaders will hire some relieving. Then wrote this order is to pass. Direction to investigating officers. Character onwards. Para 8. During hearing of IA 1,2017 to 2018 by the school, it was repeatedly directed to the central institution by order dated 7. Concerned investigating officer neither appeared nor complied with the direction. Then acts / functions of the investigating officer wholly opposed to non-cooperation with the investigating officer. Also, details of the direction and interfering in administration of justice. In absence of information, PP, IA 1 and IA 2 of the date were disposed of. Then throughout the session, there were issues direction to the CBI, there will find forward in the. So all the materials which were collected and which were not made as part of the charge sheet, in the 9 cases, Lord has had not already made any. Whenever another investigation is ordered, whatever the report will be submitted should be made as a supplementary charge sheet. But the weight of these 39 charge sheets, what happened is for 268 as against my problem, CID would find guilty. That was suppressed. Now I am being prosecuted. It is in that context I made an application in pending cases, all 3 cases, to securing all these documents first. I'm sure that was I have seen. The evidence will clearly reveal that now they are seeking to see this one is selective material. This is some discipline law. But in the 6 cases where the commission is recorded this opportunity was made, and in fact not in the 3 pending cases, 34 cases, the prosecution has filed an application seeking for transfer. That was rejected. It was opposed to the evidence.
ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದು.
Pending is now the documents are some. Therefore, what I said, remand will not for these 6 cases not serious objection to have.
ಹಾ ಇನ್ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ?
Point where including all those 3 cases not where.
ಅದು ನೋಡು, ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ.
Still in the state of FPC.
Well.
You have to get those documents not current compliance.
We'll decide about.
Application. terms of passport.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
Last time the permission ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ.
ಥೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗ?
ಹಾ.
ಥೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? ನೋ ನೋ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ.
He is having business in South Africa.
ಸೌತ್ ಥೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೂ ಅಂತೀರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ? ಎಸ್.
ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 1 year ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, every 6 months I will have to apply again.
ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. SVP-ನೇ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಟಿ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್.
ಆಗ್ಲೇ.
Prasanna Kumar, whatever order I pass,
Please.
ಅದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡಿಟಿ ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ your ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಐಟಿನರಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. I will give you.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಬರೀ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆನ್ IA.
Directly to this joint trial was
No, we'll see. We'll answer.
Now, if you have
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಇಲ್ವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. those cases are not before me. And ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ.
That's what Apex Court also has said.
ಈಗ accused
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅವ್ರ ಆತ್ಮ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಲ್ದೇನೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್
ಅವ್ರ ಆತ್ಮ
34 ಮಾತ್ರ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್.
Accused ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇದ್ರು ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅವರೊಬ್ಬರೇ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಮೋರ್, ಹಿ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲೈಟರ್ ವೇಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಇದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. The petitioner has preferred an application seeking issuance of a full validity passport for a period of 10 years. On the score that his passport has expired, and every time he has to take a passport every time he has to take a short validity passport to travel beyond the shores of the nation. The said application insofar as it seeks passport for a period of 10 years stands rejected. However, in the light of the settled principle of law, as also the circular issued by the Government of India and Ministry of External Affairs, GSR 570 of 1993, the petitioner becomes entitled only to a short validity passport. It is the law in this regard is settled, Santosh Madam, so and so, in which this court has held as follows. In the light of the said circumstance, the petition, the application stands allowed, albeit in part. The petitioner is held, the respondent passport authorities are directed to issue a short validity passport in terms of GSR 570 of 1993. And when the petitioner is wanting to travel beyond the shores of this nation, the travel itinerary be placed before the concerned court. Yes. CBI ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ. ಇದು ಕನ್ವಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಹಾ
Lord, in special CC 53, my lord.
which petition are you?
53, your lordship.
Criminal appeal, which?
Criminal appeal 1995, my lord.
One moment.
Acha, acha. 24.1 and 24.3, my lord. 24.3, my lord, it is, Lordship. In this, my lord, 24.3 is the partnership firm, my lord. Shri Lakshmi Venkateswara Minerals. 24.1, my lord, is
One moment.
partner, my lord.
You submit, are you on merits or whatever they have submitted other melena?
My lord,
Merits, I have not heard anybody. I am only on the application seeking a remand for the purpose of conduct of joint trial. ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ.
Separate you, Lakshmi.
ಆಯ್ತು, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. No
Yes. On merits, my lord, we have
On
a
merits,
good
if you want the appeal to be heard, then we will hear it later.
case. Yes.
We'll fix it in first.
This may be segregated.
We will
They need not face again another trial, my lord, that already evidence is on record.
No problem. ಅಲ್ಲ, if
on
you
the
are on a
basis of
different
evidence-
footing ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Yes,
We'll hear
yes.
it.
This
Then
may be-
January 9th.
Please, sir.
Yes. Interim order ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇನೇ
Interim order.
ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು.
Yes, yes.
Conviction appeal entry ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಬೇಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
And there is interim
Bail grant
order,
ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ.
interim order also there, my lord, that may be continued. my lord.
Whatever is there, we
Yes,
continue.
yes.
Prasanna Kumar, we'll hear it later.
Please, please.
Heard the learned senior counsel, Shri Hasmat Pasha, appearing for the petitioner in
Consideration.
so and so.
Heard on.
The learned senior counsel submits that he is not, along with the other counsels, in submitting answering submitting an application seeking conduct of a joint trial and remand in these proceedings. Learned senior counsel submits that he would argue the matter on its merit. Therefore, list the matter on 9th January at 2:30 PM. Yes. Interim order and the continue. ಯಾವ್ದು sir? 24.1 and 3. Yes. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಡ್.
Please.
ಡಿಲಿಂಕ್ ಅದು ಎನ್ವಿಜೆ ಅದು ಡಿಲಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸರ್ವ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ನಾಯಕ್. ಎಸ್.
Please.
Let's continue.